Hey guys, it's Jody, and I got a tripod today, and actually I'm filming with it right now. It's really nice, and I just got it in the mail. It's like, this is a leg. I'm gonna set you guys down. I just got it in the mail, and I'm actually very excited. Oh, see, it just moved. And this tripod is actually like very nice. It's very sturdy. But it's like, you gotta put it on a hard surface. So, hey guys, by the way, I already told you that I got a tripod, but, you know, I'm kind of like home alone, so pretty empty in the house right now. And I'm just gonna be doing some things that my parents won't know. Yeah. I'm just kidding, but I'm gonna bring you guys upstairs. And maybe I might like go to my room and stuff, because usually I go there all the time when I'm home alone. And so if you guys hear like a noise, it's because that's like the air conditioning. Oh my god, the shrimp pond is like coming up the stairs. What? And as you can see, completely empty. I'm kind of scared actually, but like, I'm in my room right now, so I have to move all my stuff for the tripod to stay. Sorry, this is very bendy. There we go. Very sturdy. Sorry guys, fixing the tripod. There we go. This is a very weird pose. Okay, anyways, guys, if this falls, I'm sorry, but anyways, today I'm gonna be showing my squishy collection. I just told you my tripod, so I'm gonna get the squishy collection. It's over here. Here's my squishy collection. So I'm gonna show you the first one, so let me just take it out of the box. The first one I got is like ice cream. Probably you guys seen this before. It smells good, real good. And it's this ice cream cone I got from Walmart. Pretty dense, but it's actually very squishy. The next one I got, this one's actually a little slow rising. It's this cake squishy. I also got it from Walmart. It has like, you know, dripping out, but I like it too. And I also got it from Walmart, so. Next thing I got is this cupcake. It looks very rainbowy. Has a little heart. And I also got it from Walmart. So, yeah, sorry, I got something in my eye. And, yeah. These are very cheap at Walmart, so you should go get them. I'm just kidding. Next squishy I actually got this from school. It's this like little egg squishy. It's actually very slow rising. Yeah, I like it. It was really cool. And I also got this cat squishy. My cousin gave it to me. It's actually very dense, but it's squishy. And I also got this one. It's from like a store. It's actually a stress ball. So sorry guys, I also got this homemade squishy. I made it myself. Actually pretty good on how it turned out. And the last one I got it from Justice for $2.98. I mean, it's this one. It's very polarizing. Let me just take it out of the package. But here it is. It smells like bread, and it smells really good. Really, this smells really good. I know it's on the back, but sorry. Tripod is falling. Just kidding. Comment down below if you have a tripod. Whoops, the tripod thing fell. But anyways, since I'm still home alone, I'm still gonna be doing some stuff, and this is what my squishy collection looks like. So I'm actually gonna close the box, and we're gonna go roam the house, even though this is my house. Really, this tripod thing is heavy. I'm going to be doing some things, maybe like, I don't know, but mostly this is a big squishy collection. It's really against the light. Look at this beautiful view. It's a beautiful. It's actually, I'm going downstairs. And since I'm going downstairs, I might as well get something for myself to eat, because oh, I forgot we had kiwis. We also have chicken, and you know, it was Father's Day today, and I made my dad something. It's this. It's really cute, and we're also gonna make some cornbread today. It's this cornbread, this one, cornbread, honey cornbread, and I'm gonna see what's in the fridge. There's basically nothing in the fridge. But oh well. Yeah, nothing. So, anyways, thank you for watching my Home Alone / squishy collection. I'm just gonna be putting in the title Squishy Collection, because basically that's what I did, even though I was home alone. But anyways, bye guys. Please subscribe and click that bell for more notifications. Bye guys. And the shoutouts are still going on. If you comment down below saying I subscribed and you click the bell, then you will get a shout out. So anyways, bye.